Hello and welcome! Today we're tackling a very common question. Does galvanized steel rust? You see it everywhere, on fences, buckets, and construction materials, and it's known for being tough against the elements. But is it truly rust-proof? Let's break it down. First, what is galvanized steel? It's simply regular steel that has been coated with a thin layer of zinc. This zinc coating is the key to everything. It protects the steel in two very clever ways. The first way is simple. The zinc acts like a raincoat. It creates a physical barrier, blocking water and oxygen from ever reaching the steel underneath. No water and oxygen means no rust. But what happens if that coating gets scratched? This is where the second, more amazing protection comes in. It's called sacrificial protection. Zinc is more chemically reactive than iron, which is the main ingredient in steel. This means if there's a scratch and both metals are exposed, the zinc will corrode first. It essentially sacrifices itself to save the steel from rusting. The zinc corrodes away, while the steel stays safe. So, to answer the big question, does galvanized steel rust? The short answer is yes, eventually, but it's a very slow process. The zinc coating itself doesn't rust in the classic red, flaky way we think of iron rust. Instead, zinc corrodes into a white, chalky substance. Over many, many years, or in very harsh environments like near the ocean with salt spray or in areas with acid rain, the zinc layer will eventually wear away completely. Once that protective zinc is gone, the steel underneath is exposed to the elements. And yes, that exposed steel will begin to rust just like any other piece of unprotected steel. The lifespan of the galvanization can be incredibly long, often lasting over 50 years depending on the thickness of the coating and the environment it's in. So, while it's not a forever solution, it is an incredibly effective and long-lasting way to prevent rust. Think of it as highly rust-resistant, not entirely rust-proof. We hope this clears things up for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to help support the channel. It allows us to keep making more videos just like this one. See you in the next one.